Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome you all in Pakistan International School Taif Virtual Learning System. Today is our 31st video lecture for grade second year students, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Rosia Imran, your mathematics teacher. Exercise 2.10 I already started, and first six question I already discussed with you. In this lecture we will do the next six questions. So this is the last topic of chapter number 2. After that we will start chapter number 3. Question number 7 is: a box with a square base and open top is to have a volume of 4 cubic decimeter. Find the dimension of the box which will require the least material. You have given that you have a box and its base is in form of square and its volume is 4 cubic decimeter, means that 4 decimeter cube. What you are going to find? You are going to find its dimension, means that the length, breadth and height, these you are going to find. So let's suppose, let x be the length of the sides, because its base is in form of square. So if it is in form of square, so all sides length will be equal. So x and length and breadth both will be x. So let x be the length of the sides of the base and y be the height of the, for height you suppose that it's y. So the volume formula, you know that length multiply breadth multiply height. So here we have x square, y is its volume, and volume value is already given, that is equal to 4. So 4 equal to x square y. If you want to find the value of y, x square multiply here shifted at other side, so it will be divide. So this is equation 1. Suppose S denotes the surface area of the box. You know the surface area of the box formula. So that is S is equal to x square, means that the area of the base plus 4 multiply side multiply height, breadth multiply height. So this is the surface area formula. So in surface area formula, x square plus 4x, value of y you put from equation number 1. So x one time cancel, one time left. So here you have s is equal to x square plus 16. X is in division, to make it in the bring it in the numerator, its power will be minus 1. Now differentiate this s with respect to x. So what you get, ds by dx, and x square will be 2x and minus 1 multiply with the coefficient 16. So it will be minus 16, and from numerator, from the power you subtract 1, so power minus 2. Again differentiate with respect to x, so you will get 2, and here minus 2 multiply with 16 you get 32, and from minus 2 you subtract 1 you get minus 3. So minus 3, to make it positive, shifted in the denominator. For critical point you put the first derivative equal to 0. So 2x minus 16 x power minus 2 is equal to 0, just like you done it in the previous question. Take the LCM. So x square is equal to, here in the denominator nothing, so 1 divided by x square is x square, multiply with the numerator, so 2x cube minus 16 divided by x square divided here, shifted at other side, multiply with 0, we get 0, so 2x cube minus 16 equal to 0. Divide both sides by 2. So when you divide both sides by 2, you get x cube, x cube equal to 8, 16 shifted at this side. So you know that the cube x cube, when you take the cube root on both sides, so x is equal to 2. Now putting x equal to 2 in the double derivative, in second derivative, d square s by dx square x equal to 2, so 2 plus 32 by 2 cube, which is greater than 0, so means that surface area is minimum when x is equal to 2. Now putting value of x in equation number 1, when you put in equation number 1, you get y is equal to 1. So hence 2 decimeter, 2 decimeter and 1 decimeter are the dimension of the box. X value you get 2, and length and breadth both are equal to x, so 2 decimeter and 2 decimeter, and height is 1 decimeter. So these are the dimension of the cube. Now come to question number 8. What you have given, find the dimension of a rectangular garden having perimeter 80 meters if its area is to be maximum. This question is just like question number 5. You do it by yourself. How can you do it? Look, the rectangle parameter means 2 multiply x plus y, and its area is to be maximum, area is equal to, a is equal to x into y. So from parameter you find the value of x or y, and then you put it in the area, and first derivative you take, then you take the second derivative, then for critical point you put the first derivative equal to 0. From there you find the value of x, put it in the equation from which you find the value of y, and then put in the second derivative, so you will get the parameters of the dimension of the rectangle. Now come to question number 9. Question number 9 is, an open tank of square base of side x, means that square base of sides means that its length and breadth is x. Vertical side is to be constructed to contain a given quantity of water. Vertical side, suppose it's y. Find the depth in term of x, means the capacity you are going to find. So means that volume you are going to find. So means that volume you are going to find. So for this, what will you do? Let y be the height of the open tank, then volume is, look, base is square form. So length multiply breadth is x multiply x, and height is y. So volume is x square y, and y is multiply here shifted at other side. Sorry, x square multiply here shifted at other side, it divide by v. So v over x square. This is first equation. If S denotes the surface area of the open tank, then surface area, you know that area of the square plus 4 into side multiply height, so that x square plus 4xy, just like question number 7 for surface area formula for the open tank or cubic tank. So value of y you put in this, when you put value of y, you will get x one time cancel, one time left, so you take it in the numerator. Now differentiate with respect to x. When you differentiate, you get 2x plus 4v is considered as coefficient, and minus 1 multiply in the coefficient, and from minus power you subtract 1, so you get minus 2. Again differentiate with respect to x, so 2 x dx by dx is equal to 1, and minus 4v is treated as a coefficient, so we write it as it is. Minus 2 power will come in the coefficient, and from power you subtract 1, so minus 3 come in the power. So minus 2 multiply with 4, we get plus 8v divided by x cube. Now for critical point, you put in the first derivative is equal to 0. So 2x minus 4vx power minus 2 is equal to 0. So here x square is in division. You take the LCM, you get 2x cube minus 4v equal to 0. X square divide here, shifted at other side, it will be multiply. When multiply with 0, you will get 0. So you get 2x cube minus 4v equal to 0. So this 4v is subtracted here, shifted at other side, it will be positive. Now both sides divide by 2, you get x cube equal to 2v. To find the value of x, what will we do? Taking cube root on both sides, so x is equal to 2v power 1 over 3. Now putting 2v power 1 over 3 in equation 2 or in second derivative. So when you put it in second derivative, this 3 will cancel with 3 and we get 2 plus 8v over 2v. We cancel. 2 divided by 8 is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 is greater than 0. So surface area is minimum when x is equal to 2v power 1 over 3. Now you already know that x cube is equal to 2v, and v is equal to x cube divided by 2. So putting in equation number 1, so y is equal to x cube divided by 2x square. So you get x divided by 2. Hence height of the open tank is x divided by 2. So this is the height. How can you find the height? The value of x, you put it in equation number 1. So you will get the height of the tank. Now come to question number 10. Question number 10 is, this is very important question, mostly come in paper. If they will give you this question, so also they will give you this diagram. Look at the diagram. Find the dimension of the uh, rectangular of maximum area which fits inside the semicircle of radius 8 centimeter. What it means? Means that you have a rectangle, and that rectangle fit in a semicircle, and the radius of the semicircle is 8 centimeter. You have to find the dimension of this rectangle, means the length and breadth you are going to find. So let 2x and y be dimension of rectangle. If this is x, and so this one also x, because you know that radius is from the mid to the, from the center to the boundary. So if this length is x, so this one automatically x. So length is 2x and breadth is y. So let 2x and y be dimension of rectangle. Then from figure, using Pythagoras theorem, look, if you check, this is a right angle triangle, and you know that to solve the right angle triangle, if we have given the sides length, any side length is missing, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is, this is hypotenuse, this one is perpendicular, y is perpendicular, x is base, and this 8 centimeter is its hypotenuse. So formula of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So with the help of this formula, base square x square perpendicular square y square is equal to hypotenuse square 8 square. So x square is positive here, shifted at other side, it will be subtracted, and square of 8 is 64. So now area of the rectangle is given by, area of a rectangle, you know that is length multiply breadth. So length is 2x and breadth is y. So area is 2x into y. So squaring both sides, so a square is equal to 4x square y square. Now you, why we square? Because here we have the value of y square, not y. So to find y square, we square the area, uh, taking square on both sides, so we get a square equal to 4x square y square. So value of y square from equation 1, we put it in this area. So when we put it in area, 4x square multiply with 64 and then with x square, so we get this value. Now suppose F is equal to area A square, which is equal to 256x square minus 4x power 4. So differentiate with respect to x this function. So 2 multiply with 256, we get 512x, and 4 multiply with 416x cube, because from power we subtract 1 and the power multiply with coefficient. Again differentiate with respect to x. So 512, because dx by dx is equal to 116, multiply with 3 we get 48, and from power we subtract 1 x square. Now to find the critical point, what will we do? The first derivative we take it equal to 0. So 512x minus 16x cube, x cube is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So here 16x is common, so we take it 16x common. 16x multiply 32, so we get 512. So 32 minus x square, so 16x equal to 0, or 32 minus x square equal to 0. So 16 multiply here, shifted at other side, divide, so x equal to 0. 32 minus x square, so x square shifted at other side, so x square equal to 32. So take square root, we get x equal to plus minus 4 under root 2. Now we find the three values of x. One is plus 4 under root 2, second is minus 4 under root 2, and third is 0. So these values we put in the second derivative. X cannot be 0 or negative because its length. We get three value of x. One is 0 and other one is positive 4 under root 2 and negative 4 under root 2. You know that x is the side length, so it can't be 0 and it can't be negative. Length can't be negative. So we take the positive value x equal to 4 under root 2. So we put in equation number 4 in double derivative. In second derivative, the value of x 4 under root 2. When you put 4 under root 2, under root 2 and under root 2 cancel, and 4 4 is a 16, 16 2 is a 32. So 32 we get, 32 multiply with 48, we get this value and we get the negative number. So area is maximum for x is equal to 4 under root 2. Why maximum? Because it's coming less than 0. When less than 0, so means that it is maximum. To find the length, we put 2x, we put the value of x, so we get the value of x, that is equal to 8 under root 2. Value of x is 8 under 2x is equal to 2 into 4 under root 2. To find the value of y, breadth, that is under root 64 minus, because it is y square, 64 minus 4 x square, so minus x square. So we take the square root on both sides, so y is equal to 64 minus 4 under root 2 square. So 64 minus under root 32, which is 4 under root 2. So hence dimension is 8 under root 2 centimeter is the length and 4 under root 2 centimeter is its breadth. Now come to question number 11. Question number 11 is, this is very important question. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x square minus 1 that is closest to the point 3 minus 1. You have given that it is a curve and point is 3 minus 1, means that the value of P point Pxy is 3 minus 1, where the x dimension is 3 and y dimension is minus 1. And curve is y is equal to x square minus 1. So what will you suppose? Let Pxy be point and let a 3 minus 1. So the distance between point A and P is, you know that with the distance formula, x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. So you get d square is equal to x minus, you take square on both sides, so square root automatically remove. So x minus 3 whole square plus plus 1 whole square. Already given y is equal to x square minus 1, so you put the value of y in this, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So you get x minus 3 whole square, x power 4. So this is the value of d square. Suppose that it is equal to f. Now differentiate with respect to x. The power will come in coefficient, and from power you subtract 1, and then without power further derivative is 1 minus 0. So 1 multiply with the same value, we get the same value. The power will come in coefficient. From power you subtract 1, so 4x cube. Now again differentiate with respect to x. So you get 2 is a coefficient, x derivative is 1 and minus 3 derivative is 0. So 2 into 1 is 2 and power will multiply with coefficient. 4 3 is a 12 and from power you subtract 1, so this is 2. To find the critical point, what will we do? The first derivative is equal to 0. So 2 into x minus 3 plus 4x cube is equal to 0. So to multiply inside 2x minus 6 plus 4x cube, to divide 4x cube plus 2x minus 6, divide both sides by 2, so you get 2x cube plus x minus 3. Now by synthetic division, this is x cube, so when we factorize, if it is square, so we use quadratic formula or by formula or by PQ method. Now it's cube, so to factorize it we use synthetic division. We already done synthetic division. For x cube coefficient, we write power. X square is not present here, so we put 0, and x coefficient is 1 and constant is minus 3. So 1, let's suppose its factor is 1, so 2 as it is, 2 ones are 2, you put 2, 2 plus 0, 2. 2 ones are 2, you put 2 here, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 multiply with 1, 3 minus 3 plus 3, 0. So you get 2x square 2x plus 3 equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 for this. Now you factorize this by quadratic formula. 2x square plus 2x, value of b is 2 minus 2 plus minus b square, 2 square minus 4ac, a is 2, c is 3 and divided by 2a, so 2 into 2, 4. So this you get, so it will be minus 2 plus minus under root minus 20 divided by 4. So this is complex and not acceptable. This is complex root. So for length, it's not acceptable. So what we do, so we take the value, three value of x we get. One is x is equal to 1, other one is these two value. So this is complex root. If you take, it will be 20 iota, so means that under root minus 1 means that iota, so it is complex root, so we ignore it. We take the other value of x, x is equal to 1, so we put in the second derivative, we get 14, which is greater than 0, so means that the distance is minimum at x is equal to 1. You put in value of y, 1 square minus 1, so hence 1 0 is the required point. For question number 12, same just like question number 11, no change. You try it to do. If any question, any confusion, so you ask in Zoom meeting class. I hope you will understand it. This is the last exercise of chapter number 2. Inshallah, after that in next lecture, we will start chapter number 3. Take care. Allah Hafiz.